Friends, good morning. My name is Raju Kurmandal and I hope you will be fine. So in this video, we will solve a programming question. Which question says that take three digit number from the user and calculate the sum and print their sum value. So we will do in three steps. First of all, we will take input from the user, then we will calculate the sum of these values, then we will print the value. So let's do it. Open your VS Code. Here you can see I have written some code of Java. So here you can see I have imported a Java scanner class. Then using this scanner class, I have created a SEO object. It helps us to take input from the user. So basically what we will do, we will take input from the user like 35 and save to this A, B and C. So let's do this process. So first of all, we will create a variable where we will save int a is equal to, then we will call sc.next int and repeat again, change the variable name and see. Now your second step is also done. So now we will move to the third step, which is calculating part. So here you write double sum is equal to a plus b plus c. Then our last step is print to the user. So write system dot out dot println sum of a plus b plus c is equal to what? Sum. So we have successfully calculated this program. So now we will run this program. So write here your Java, then your file name questions9.java. We will run this code. Here you can see our input taking system is working. So we will give three value first, 23, 45 and 21. Then we will enter. Here you can see your sum of a plus b plus c is equal to 89. So here you can see, so our a value is equal to 23, b is equal to 45 and c is equal to 21. So when we will sum this value 3, 5, 8 and 1, 9 and 4 to 8, 4 to 6 or to 8. So you can see your final answer is your 89. It means it's giving correct value. So this program is ready to take three input from the user and calculate the sum and print to the sum to the user. So thank you.